am digging the black tailpipes. This time I let them come out a little farther so you can read that Flowmaster logo. And yeah, I think they look pretty sweet. All right, now from inside my house, I want you to hear how loud the cold start is on this Outlaw. Now keep in mind, this is in my house, through the garage, and the truck's just outside the garage. So it is definitely very loud when you cold start it, but once it idles down, then it's fine, you know. But that morning cold start, boy, if you live in an HOA, they're not gonna be happy about you, bro.